Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to delete your Shopify account. Remember, this is a permanent step, so make sure you've downloaded any important data beforehand. Let's dive in. First of all, you have to log into your Shopify account. To do so, just go to your web browser and then in the search bar, type in shopify.com. After the website appears, enter your account credentials and then log in. Once in the dashboard, you'll need now to cancel your subscription. And to do so, in the Shopify admin, go to Settings. In the bottom left corner here, click on Settings next to the gear icon. Now here you'll see many options like General, Plan, Billing, User Permission, Payments, etc. It's all options you can do to your store. Now select Plan. Here you can view plan details. You can view the terms of service and privacy policy here. As you can see, I'm in a trial and I have 2 days remaining in this trial. If you already paid for a plan, you can go ahead and click on cancel trial here. And if you have already a store here, you'll see the store status. You can select deactivate store and you'll see an option to confirm the cancellation. Follow the prompts and Shopify will cancel your account after you confirm. It's different when you have already chosen a plan. Now, before deactivating, consider exporting important data like customers lists or order history. You can export this information by going to the relevant section in your Shopify admin. And that's it. Your Shopify account will now be closed and your store is deactivated. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any other questions about Shopify, feel free to ask them in the comments below the video. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.